All right, we're going to graph f of x equals negative, and then the quantity x plus 5 cubed plus 4. So we're going to graph that. The first thing to notice is the cube, so it's a cube function. So that's the kind of thing that we want to go ahead and put on here. So we're going to plot some points to give us the cube shape. And we should know what x cubed looks like from our parent functions. I'm not good at drawing the ones that go all the way up and down, but that's x cubed. Now what's happening to x cubed? Well, there's a negative out front, which will reflect over the x-axis. There is a positive 5 inside the function. That's going to shift in the opposite direction, so that's going to shift left 5. And then there is the positive 4 on the outside, which will shift up 4. So let's see. Let's try and put this function on here. One thing we know is that we're going to take this function and we're going to move it left 5 and up 4. Okay, so that's the center, and then it would have been flipped over. So imagine flipping it over first. So I'm going to try and recreate the best I can that cube function coming out of the center flipped over. So you can see it reflected kind of like it would be over the x-axis, although it's been moved. So the center point has moved to right here in the middle of my new graph. Thank you.